compressor.
Now this is the Denso factory compressor we're putting in the car. So
Yep.
this guy's got to get shaved off with my hand dandy snap-on.
There you cooking. Now you're talking. Yeah.
So check this out. If you have changed the pump already, like we did on your car, and then we decided to put some headers on it,
Yep.
we would have a bitchin' time putting headers on it because it would be touching the pump.
Aren't you glad you talked me into not putting headers on it?
Well, but if you know it, you just grind it off when you're putting the headers on.
Right. So I'll put this bolt back in first, and let's see if we can get in there without touching the pump now. That's what the problem was. Oh, this, make sure that this sits out up top as well. You don't want that in the way. Come look at the clearance right there. It's right here. Look how, see the clearance on the header? That's some clearance. Then we'll put one more bolt here. There you go. Now look at that hand tighten, everything goes in smooth. Okay, now the fun part is putting the belt back on the pump, and we didn't loosen the tensioner from the top. See it?
Yeah.
This bolt right here. And you know what, Kush? I could
You can undo it.
by hand because there's no tension because we've got no bolt in there.
Gotcha.
Reason being is that pulley we put on, the 14 bolt that we tightened to it, that also tightens the thing. So I gotta loosen that so we can move up and down. And then this is probably the last thing we're gonna have to tighten. So there it goes. This 14 bolt right up here. Loosen that bolt, and the 12 up top gives you all the slack in the world to get this belt to fit however you want. AC belt on the top. Okay, belt is on. This the tensioner adjuster bolt right here is long 12. I'm gonna tighten it so the belt feels good, but you can't feel it the way it is. But I before I loosened it, I felt 2 threads on the bolt coming up. So I'm gonna put exactly that, or put just one more thread up because since we put a new pulley on, there might be needed. Usually the way I test it is if I can take the belt and kind of twist it at 180 degree, that's about right.
Yeah, but you need to know how far between the twist points.
Yeah, that's the shitty part.
Yeah.
But compared to where it was originally, I just put it up 1 thread past it, because we loosened it and tightened it some more. So it's not super tight, but it's not. I think it's okay. I'd be happy with it, because before I took the bolt out, the little stud that sticks out of the 12 going in, I felt the lip of it and I caught 2 teeth. With my nail, I counted 2 teeth.
You're 3 or 1.
Now I'm 3 teeth in, so it's a little tighter than usual than it was prior.
Yeah, but you got some
Yeah.
movement. Good.
So because we can super tight. If we over tighten it, you're gonna burn the pump out.
Don't want to do that.
So
So now we tighten up to 14. Huh?
yeah, now we tighten up to 14, and I'm gonna go back up, Kush. Let's do it from the bottom. 14 right here. This is that tensioner bolt for the pulley. You need to tighten that back up. And this belt, usually if I can do this and it feels tight, I'm good with that. It's not loose, it's not super tight, but it feels like, I don't know how to explain it. It feels good. We got the AC pump back in there. All the 412s are tight. Bolts are tight. Belt's tight. You know, it's all tight. So we're gonna go back in. You got the engine mount back here. That's gonna be a pain in the ass to put in. But we're gonna have to. This goes back up pretty easy, actually. Those bolts, it won't fall. So, yeah, one there and one here. Back ones first.
Here.
I'm gonna loosen because there's a hole right there. The engine is sitting a little down, and the mount hole is almost there. So right there, I can see it. Those bolts got a little notch for it to go in to hold it. Here.
Yeah, you're going. You're going. Looking good.
Alright, it's hand tight. So what happened is we loosened these guys up a little bit to bring this subframe down a little bit because the engine's sitting back a little bit, so we can put the bolt in through the hole. We just need to put that nut in the back. So the comp take care is actually pretty easy, and you can actually get back there. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tighten the bolt up there first, get that tight, and then we'll shove this back in there. It was pretty tight, so I'll make it just as tight as it was. I think that's good. These 14s are sitting back here. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in hand tight.
Because it was kind of an angle and it was a...
Don't forget to put this shield in, or else you're gonna have one hell of a time. Okay guys, we got that. These two 12s going back in. One here, one here. Then go ahead and tighten this guy, tighten this guy, and this guy, and that guy.
Getting somewhere because see, otherwise you're bending this way rather than.
Okay.
There we go.
So we'll put everything hand tight because there's a bunch of play in everything. These back bolts back here.
Yeah,
Make
get
sure.
this one, John.
I know. I'll get it. Make sure you put the washers in. Don't forget these washers. So right now, everything's just loose. Washer here. Bolt back here. We went ahead and cleaned, you know, all the little cool crap that was on here. So there's two types of bolts here. There's these short ones and these long ones. And
The short ones went.
short ones went in the front side, which are right here.
Oh, holding
The brake lines, yes.
Yeah, okay.
And the long ones go back right in here. So, tighten these guys.
So what you how to raise the back. Shim back.
Pull out my 14.
So
We're going to tighten these guys.
when you really all you have to do is the one shim. You know what else? Here. This side are we still flat down there?
After we're done, these older cars took R12. We're going to go ahead and convert it to 134. So just subscribe to our channel. It's my first time working on one of these cars. I'm kidding. And then I'll have a video on how to convert this thing over to R12 to 134 from R12, and the charge requirements and all that to get this thing nice and cold.